Sri Lanka, officially known as the Democratic Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka, is an island nation located in South Asia, in the Indian Ocean. Sri Lanka is an island country located to the south of India. It is separated from the Indian subcontinent by the Palk Strait. The capital city is Colombo. Sri Lanka has a rich history dating back thousands of years. It was known as Ceylon during the colonial period when it was ruled by the British. Sri Lanka gained independence from British colonial rule in 1948. The population of Sri Lanka is diverse, with the majority of the people being of Sinhalese ethnicity and practicing Buddhism. There is also a significant Tamil minority, primarily in the northern and eastern regions, with Hinduism being their predominant religion. Covers an area of approximately 65,610 square kilometers, 25,330 square miles. It does not share land borders with any other country. However, it is relatively close to the southern coast of India, and the Palk Strait, which is a narrow body of water, separates Sri Lanka from the southern tip of India. India is the closest neighboring country to Sri Lanka, and it has a significant impact on Sri Lanka's culture, trade, and interactions. The population of Sri Lanka was estimated to be around 22 million people. Sinhala and Tamil are the official languages of Sri Lanka, with English also widely used, especially in government and education. Sri Lanka has a rich cultural heritage influenced by Buddhism and Hinduism. The country is known for its traditional dance, music, and art forms. The cuisine includes a variety of rice-based dishes, curries, and seafood. Sri Lanka is a popular tourist destination known for its stunning beaches, lush landscapes, ancient temples, and wildlife. Popular tourist attractions include the ancient city of Anuradhapura, Sigiriya Rock Fortress, and the beautiful beaches of the southern coast. The country has since been working towards reconciliation and rebuilding. Economy is diverse, with agriculture, manufacturing, and services sectors. It exports tea, garments, rubber, and gemstones, among other products. Tourism is also a significant contributor to the economy. Sri Lanka has a democratic system of government with a president as the head of state and a prime minister as the head of government. Sri Lanka is known for its natural beauty, including lush rainforests, wildlife reserves, and a high level of biodiversity. It is also famous for its tea plantations in the Central Highlands. Sri Lankan Airlines, the national flag carrier of Sri Lanka, is the country's largest and oldest airline. Founded in 1979 as Air Lanka and was later rebranded as Sri Lankan Airlines in 1998, it is headquartered in the capital city, Colombo. If you want to stay updated with more informative content, consider subscribing to our channel and turning on the notification bell. By subscribing, you'll never miss any of our future videos.